Over the past 12 months, TV, film and advertising production has learned to adapt to COVID restrictions. The pandemic is accelerating a shift to new ways of working, from greater reliance on animation to increasing use of new technology like the Unreal game engine, which powers Disney's stagecraft technology used in the production of The Mandalorian. What's exciting about all this is the way in which this shift to virtual production is making filmmaking much more accessible to everyone. This is Blender, software that can be used to create 3D animated models for games, art and films. The amazing thing about Blender is that it's free, and it's become an increasingly popular tool for digital artists. And its growth has only accelerated during the pandemic. The software was downloaded 14 million times in 2020, up from around 9 million the previous year. With the surge in interest in NFTs, Blender has become a key tool for digital artists to create work to sell on the blockchain, particularly in the fashion space. As the founder of virtual sneaker company Artifact says, when it comes to the competition in the digital fashion space, I'm not afraid of brands, but I am afraid of the 16-year-olds grinding on Blender in their bedrooms. Well, it's not just the art and fashion world that should be afraid, in my opinion. Another amazing company that's democratizing creativity is Real Illusion. Real Illusion offers easy software solutions for all kinds of 2D and 3D filmmaking, including easy rigging of characters so that you can automatically animate them without having to actually know how to animate. And with their software, you can create something really high spec. This is an example of a film made with Unreal and Real Illusion, a Batman fan film made entirely by one person. Now, as you can see, alongside Real Illusion, the filmmaker was using the Unreal Engine to create photorealistic digital characters. Unreal's MetaHuman creator software is now offering early access for filmmakers and artists, and sometime in the future will be available for everyone to use. And what it's capable of is pretty astonishing. Now, it won't be long before this software is being used by the TikTok generation, who are already masters at storytelling and editing, to create something that can compete with the big blockbusters. But wait, a big blockbuster needs a big blockbuster soundtrack. Well, music software company East West has that covered too. This is their recently released Hollywood Orchestrator software, which enables you to create a blockbuster soundtrack even if you don't have any scoring knowledge. And just to prove how easy it is, I'm actually playing this myself. Now, what's so exciting about all this is the way it makes professional level filmmaking accessible to all, enabling the amplification of more diverse voices in entertainment and media. And that's something that's sorely needed, as I discuss in my recent report on Latinx media trends.